Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Kat and I'm so glad you're joining me this Tuesday, February the 1st. It's time to take a walk around the penny. Our first winner of the day is Juniper Group, symbol JUNP. The equity skyrocketed nearly 167% on a volume of over 246 million. There hasn't been any news since mid-October when the company's telecommunications subsidiary doubled its workforce in the Chicago market. The stock has been on a pretty steady decline for the past 3 months, reaching its low of .0002 a few times. But since January 28th, Juniper has had some major breakout activity. There's been no news on the move, but we'll keep an eye on it. Next, we have Bookkeeper International Equities, symbol BKPR. Today, they had a rally of just over 11% on over 187 million shares. The company is a merchant banking and advisory management consulting firm. A press release this morning announced that they appointed Roy Gentry as their new CFO. The company will also allow investors access to real-time level 2 quotes on the OTC markets. Our final winner of the day is ProTech Capital, symbol PRPM. This company invests in and acquires software companies. Last month, they laid out an aggressive agenda for 2011, which includes a buyback of up to 400 million common shares. This afternoon, the stock rose 50% on a volume of over 148 million. For the past 5 days, the stock has been quite volatile, with a price ranging from .0001 to its high of today of .0004. We'll start the losers with Total Apparel Group, symbol TLAG. Today, the stock fell 20% on roughly 103 million shares. The company hasn't had any major news since 2009 when Walmart featured FIFA shops inside of select stores. These stores would offer exclusive products and host special events leading up to the games. We've talked about TLAG a couple of times on our shows. You can explore our archives for the news. Up next, with a drop of over 12% on roughly 73 million shares, is Cotton and Western Mining, symbol CWRN. Over the last month, the stock has climbed from a price of .005 all the way down to just under 3 cents. So although this fall seems rough, it has a long way to go to reach its bottomed out price from back in January. Our final loser of the day is OPGX, symbol OPGX. In December, the company reported strong nationwide sales of its health products. The products are designed to help the body repair damaged DNA from overexposure to the sun and other stressors. The stock has been sloping down since the end of January when it hit its peak at .003. Today, it fell 35% on a volume of over 58 million. Gold and silver mining company Western Sierra Mining, symbol WSRA, got a lot of attention in chat rooms. Its opening was the same as its low at .0045 and saw a high of .0139. It shot up 100% on just over 14 million shares and closed at .01. A press release today announced plans to form a joint venture with EnviroExtract to develop mines in Arizona and Nevada. The stock has been pretty flat this week and the price has fluctuated from the monthly high of .0139 on January 14th to today's current closing price of .01. Chatters were all about gold and silver today. Another popular stock was Prom Resources, symbol PRMO. Last week, the company issued a press release announcing that they were negotiating a stake in gold refineries. The stock didn't have a particularly interesting day today. It bounced from its high price of .0002 and its low of .0001. It eventually ended the day flat. But its volume of nearly 87 million kept people interested, and as you know, commodities and metals definitely have been hot topics. Our quote of the day comes from GTWSTD, who said, "There are a lot of dumb people in this room today. What gives?" That's right, GTWSTD. I would have to agree. Sometimes you just can't fix stupid. And it's time for some BS. We saw 4 newsletters pumping Turk Power Corporation, symbol TRKP. The company put out a press release yesterday to announce an update on its purchase of an iron ore mine. They hope to complete the purchase of about 25% of the mine within the next month. Is this a safe bet? Newsletters are obviously assuming that it will go according to plan, but let's look at the stock. It opened at just over 29 cents, then dropped 0.04% on 593,000 shares and closed at nearly 28 cents. So far, not so good. Keep trying newsletters. Someday you'll pick a winner. California Business Bank, symbol CABB, rallied an amazing 102%, which would be great news if they didn't have a volume of only 100. This company has no news of any kind and no business description at all. I'm guessing it's a bank, but it could be a hot dog stand for all I know. No info, no news, and a 102% rally. Way to go, guys. You've definitely earned this trophy. You can bank on that. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and our homepage, simplypennies.com. Come back tomorrow for more of the hottest penny stock news available. Until next time, I'm Kat. Bye. That's right, GTWSTD. I would have to agree.